from young readers to professional on the go. Introducing ScanSphere, the revolutionary smart pen that reads, scans, and empowers. We're easiest to use, handable, affordable, high-tech pen producing by Echo Ink System. For children with disabilities, ScanSphere turns words into voices. For young learners, it unlocks confidence. For busy professional, it saves time and sharpens focus. Lightweight, initiative, and powerful, ScanSphere is more than a pen. It's a bridge to understanding, communication, and success. ScanSphere, your future is in your fingertips.
Speak, scan, and shine. The high-tech smart pen that speaks your language, sees your world, and shares your story. For kids who are just starting to read, ScanSphere makes words come alive. Scan, listen, learn. It's that easy. Designed with inclusivity in mind, ScanSphere helps people with disabilities access that effortless. Studies shows assistive reading desires like R improve comprehension and independently by RX 60%. For those with learning difference, ScanSphere is just a tool It's a partner. Reading becomes a joy, not a change. With voice over scanner and smart tool build, a ScanSphere is more than a pen. It's a bridge to better learning. ScanSphere speaks, scan, and shine. Based on study from the journal Accessitive Technology and Languages 2021, multimodal tools improve reading engagement and independency in children and individuals with disabilities. So let's hear the other teams to what is the ScanSphere all about.
The problem in the society. Connectivity problem, difficulty connecting the pen scanner to device via Bluetooth or USB can't hinder its connectivity. Low translation accuracy, inaccurate translation, especially for complex sentence or less common. Touchscreen and responsiveness. The pen touchscreen may become unresponsive, affecting navigation and settings adjustment. Battery and charging issue, problems with charging or battery life can limit the pen usability.
Is connected citizenship transforming of society. Connected problem solution ensure that both the pen scanner and the device are compatible, that Bluetooth or used devices are today. Try to restart both of the pen scanner and the device. If using Bluetooth, make sure the pen within reach and try referring it. Low translation accuracy. Solution ensure the pen scanner is being used a clear, legible text. Some scanner use legible text, some work better of printed text that cursive or handwriting words.
Our target customers are individuals with disabilities, especially those who face challenge with writing due to motor or learning impairments. We've developed a high-tech pen designed to empower them to write independently, enhancing both their communication and confidence.
So starting from the broadest perspective, the total available market, that is everyone globally who could benefit from assistive writing technology, is valued at $1.5 million. This includes millions of individuals across various durability categories and geographies.
We narrowed down to our serviceable available market, worth around $320 million. These are individuals in key regions we can realistically deliver our product and support service. places with the infrastructure, access, and awareness needed to adopt our solution.
Finally, we focus on our serviceable, obtainable market, estimated at $85 million. This represents the portion of the market we can actively reach in the short to mid-term based on our go-to-make strategy, partnership, and distribution capabilities. And that's all. Thank you.
Our product was a pen that had a scanner device, and the name was ScanSphere. This product is to help students, educators, and professionals to ease their works and to improve it.
ScanSphere is a math smart pen, math integrated with high-precision scanner designed to simplify daily academic and professional tasks. It allows users to easily digitize their handwritten notes, papers, and documents. This reduces time spent on manual data entry and enhances productivity. With ScanSphere, staying organized becomes effortless.
Item 1. 50% represents the core functionality of ScanSphere. This is the most successful and profitable aspect of the product. Item 2 shows that a significant portion, 37.5% of ScanSphere's income, comes from selling the product to schools and other educational organizations. Item 3 is the smallest part of ScanSphere's series. It has 12.5%. This is probably because it is made up of newer features, maybe ones that help people with disabilities use the product more easily.
Go!
Since launching our flagship product, ScanSphere, we have witnessed set of tremendous growth and positive feedback. We are proud to have created the device that empowers students, educators, and professionals. ScanSphere's ability to seamlessly translate and read text aloud has opened up a world of possibilities for those who have faced language barriers or learning challenges.
We believe that technology should empower every learner no matter their ability or background. That's why we created a high-tech pen that brings learning to life in a way that's simple, engaging, and inclusive. For children with disabilities, ScanSphere is more than a tool. It's a companion that builds confidence and independence, helping them interact with the world on their terms. For primary students, it opens doors to creativity and understanding. Learning becomes exciting, reading becomes interactive, and writing becomes fun. ScanSphere turns every lesson into an adventure, making sure no children falls behind simply because they learn differently. With ScanSphere in hand, every child is equipped to explore their full potential. And for every user, it's a gateway to smarter learning, because everyone deserves to learn, create, and succeed. But if there is no ScanSphere, some children might remain unheard. Some students might struggle in silence, and moments of curiosity could go unanswered. We're here to change that, because every child deserves the chance to shine. Join us in shaping a smarter, more inclusive future. ScanSphere, the future of learning at your fingertips.